guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brittany Bear Makeup here, and I am back for another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look using no foundation. Yes, that is 100% accurate, girl. I have no foundation on my face and I'll be looking this fly. If you guys want to know how I did it, then make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel right now, turn on those post notifications, and let's get to it.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright, Bear fam, so today's video is going to be something a little bit different than what we're used to. Now, just because I'm not going to be wearing foundation does not mean that I can't wear eyeshadow. Today, I'm really excited because I'm going to be using my new BH Cosmetic Color Festival palette. This palette just recently came out and it has so many beautiful colors. I know Coachella's rising, so if you guys are looking for a really fun palette that just kind of has everything, this definitely is a go-to. So I'm actually going to be taking their new brushes they came out with as well. This is their Electric Green collection. So I'm going to be taking the brush number 8. I went ahead and already primed my eyelids using my concealer, and you guys already know the gist about that. A little dot of concealer, bam, 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 look at you, you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and go into the palette. I'm actually going to be taking the color Pop, and I'm going to be applying this onto my brush, and then I'm going to press this onto my lid and give it like a soft, generous amount. So I'm just packing the product on. It's a very beautiful soft lilac color, which I'm so obsessed with. I feel like this is such a gorgeous color and so many different complexions. You guys are definitely gonna love it. These brushes are extremely soft. So if you guys are looking for some brushes out there, I believe they're synthetic hairs. These are definitely some gorgeous and very, very poppin' brushes that you guys can check out. I know this eyeshadow look is fairly simple. We're going to spruce it up just a little bit. And by that, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a brown eyeliner pencil. This one is actually from Ciate London. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be lining the lower lash line with this brown pencil, just like that. Don't be afraid if it looks a little bit crazy, a little bit thick. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna blend that out to give it a little bit of smoky sexiness, you know. So I'm gonna go back into these brushes that BH has, and I'm gonna find the perfect brush to kind of blend it out. I'm thinking this one right here, it's a BH11 brush. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna begin by slightly buffing the product into my eye. And this is gonna smoke it out and give it that really pretty, sexy look that I'm going for. So many of you guys have told me not to stretch my eyelid, and I never listened to you, but recently I realized how old I'm getting, and I'm getting crinkly, and I'm having a heart attack. Age is catching up to your girl, and I am depressed about it. It is so sad. So I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna slightly blend it all out. These brushes are working really well. Like, this is my first time ever using them, and I'm very, very happy with how it's blending everything and just making it look so pretty. So what I like to do is I get to the corner, I kind of just go upwards, almost to fake a little bit of that liner action, just like that. I'm also going to be taking this and I'm going to smoke the bottom of the eye out as well. This is going to enhance the look and just make it all come together. Alright, Bear fans, so I went and I did the other eye, obviously. So the next step is going to be for the fun part. This is going to be really cool because this is where we're going to create a foundation for our face without actually using foundation. The first thing I like to do when I'm not going to wear foundation is basically moisturize my skin. So this is actually really important because if you are not going to have anything covering your blemishes, you want to make sure that you look hydrated and that your face is nice and glowing. So I like to use my Image. This is my skincare line that I use. It also has sunblock in it, so it's pretty poppin'. So what I like to do is just take a pea-size amount and apply this to all the areas of my face that I need a little hydration, which is everywhere. If you guys ever get the chance to try skincare, the Image skincare line, oh my god, you will thank me because it is literally amazing. Like, it smells so freaking good. So instead of using foundation, we are actually going to be using concealer today as our friend to conceal all of our blemishes and make our skin look nice, beautiful, and presentable. So for today, I'm going to be using my Jouer concealer. The reason why I love this is because it also has hyaluronic acid, and in my snail video that I did previously, you guys know that hyaluronic acid actually gives your skin a lot of hydration and it makes it look just more supple and plump. I'm going to be applying this underneath my eyes like I typically would if I was actually wearing foundation. I'm also going to do the bridge of my nose and then the lower part of my forehead, my chin area, because as you guys can see, I also have some blemishes going on down here. And then on the other side as well. So taking my damp beauty blender, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna begin patting this under my eyes. And as you guys can see, I typically would keep the concealer in one primary area, but because I'm not using foundation, I'm actually taking that excess concealer and I'm allowing it to spread throughout my face and give it almost like a soft, thin layer of concealer. Now, what I love about this is obviously today I went for a little bit more pizzazz on my eyes. However, if you guys wanted to just have like a really simple natural makeup look day, you can skip the eyeshadow and just go for some mascara and some concealer and just kind of spread it throughout your face, and you are going to be obsessed with the results. It's going to give you a very natural finish, and I love this especially when I'm on vacation or during the summer when there's so much heat and I feel sticky. I feel like this is a perfect makeup application for that time of year. So now that I've concealed everything, I still kind of want to go in and add a little bit of highlight to my face. Once again, picking up another concealer, and it is Jouer as well. I'm going to use the color Toast just to kind of brighten up the bridge of my nose. So I'm applying a little bit to the bridge just to give it more definition, and then a little bit more underneath my eyes, just right in the area where I have a lot of dark circles. And this is just going to brighten me up. This is going to make me look awake. This is going to make me look freaking hella fly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some translucent powder. Now I'm going to be using my Peach Perfect because, like I explained in other videos, it's very finely milled. I'm going to be taking a BH brush. This is number 2. And I'm just going to lightly pack this underneath my eye to set my under eye. And I'm going to lightly just go over all the areas that are pooling a lot of moisture that I kind of want to mattify. So once I use that powder, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a bronzer. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that you are going to be using a synthetic brush for this, because I promise you, if you're using natural hairs and you try to use a powder on no foundation, you're going to end up looking really blotchy and it's going to add too much pressure to your face. We're going to get those streaky strokes. So I'm going to be taking a BH brush because, once again, it is synthetic hairs. And I'm going to be taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer because you already know I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna slightly add some color, some dimension to my face. Now, as you guys can see, I'm just adding a little bit of product because I don't want to look blotchy. Just want a little bit of color. So I'm going on the rim of my head as well. Light pressure. And then the lower half of my face, just kind of chiseling out the triple chin we got going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly contour my nose, and for this I'll be using my 360 nose contouring brushes with Morphe. Now typically I actually like to apply less makeup when I want a really good nose contour. I notice that it goes on better, so I'm just going to grab this brush and I'm just going to draw one straight line down one side of my nose. Bam, there she is. I'm going to shorten the tip of my nose. Bam, there she is again. And then we're gonna connect that other line to make sure that the nose looks thin and it's ready to slay. It's so crazy what contour does. Like, my nose can go from looking like Squidward to MJ real quick. All right, guys, so I spent a couple minutes just kind of contouring out my nose. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be highlighting my face next. So for today, I'll be using my Wet n Wild highlighter because I've been obsessed recently. This is a Smashbox brush. It's just a tiny little pointer brush, nothing crazy. Y'all don't need to go buy it, okay? And I'm gonna use this to define out my nose contour. So I'm applying a little to the tip. Bam. And then I'm going to be using this to just kind of define the nose contour. All right, Bear Fam, so that's basically it once I contoured my nose. As you guys can see, it looks nice and defined. So quickly, I'm gonna grab my NARS. This is the Orgasm blush, and I'm just gonna be using this to brighten up my cheeks, give it a little bit of color on both sides. When I go for very fresh makeup looks, I really like to just glorify those cheekbones. And by doing that, I love blush. I feel like it definitely does that. Just makes you look more alive and youthful. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to spray my face first to kind of give it a nice base. I'm gonna go into this beautiful lilac shade. It is a Daisy Danger times Morphe collaboration, and I'm gonna be applying this right here. Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, okay. I see you, Daisy Danger. Wow, that is so pretty, guys. Definitely very different than what I'm used to, but I'm not gonna lie, it's gorgeous on the face. I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. So I'm gonna pop it in the corner of my eye right here. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm actually gonna be taking this too, and on my upper brow bone, I'm gonna highlight my upper brow bone. My upper brow bone, I never do that, but I feel like this is gonna look really pretty right there, just to kind of pop. So the next thing is going to be for us to use some lashes. Now, these are some of my my favorite lashes and I'm bringing them back because I'm obsessed. I haven't shown you guys them in a minute. These are my Salon Perfect 614. Every time I wear these lashes, you guys always compliment me on them, so gotta bring them back and show you guys. So taking my adhesive, I'm gonna go ahead and stick these bad boys onto my lashes. I just love how these complement my eye shape. Like, I feel like I've never really found a good lash that complements my eye shape as best as these do. I feel like these are so beautiful and they're just popping. They're my favorite. Okay, the other side as well, just popping it on. So obsessed with how this makeup is turning out. Like, honestly, I had no vision for this. I just knew I wanted to use purple. I kind of made things up as I went, and God, I prayed that it was decent. And I'm so obsessed. I feel like this is so pretty. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara onto both sides of the lashes, as well as the bottom lashes. Okay, Bear Fam, so I finished my eyebrows off camera. I went for the very natural bushy look that you guys all love. I definitely do have a video on this because I constantly get asked, so all you guys have to do is click up here so that you guys can watch it. All right, so we're gonna finish off today's look, and I'm going to be taking a Morphe Love Bite lip liner, and I'm gonna be using this to lip line my lips. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this beautiful lipstick from Morphe. This one is called Flirt, and it's like a soft nude pink. Oh my God, obsessed. Alright, Bear Fam, so this concludes my no foundation makeup tutorial. I cannot believe right now, just looking at my face, that I have no foundation on. This concealer came through. This is why I'm such a huge fan of Jouer. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you guys want to see any video similar to this, or if you guys have any ideas, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. I want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, Princess Superstar. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on, girl, and being a part of the Bear Fam. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and comment when done. I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.